everyone, Steve Vogt, your CPA here with an update on our new building. It's coming along real well and we plan on moving in there December 13. I'm bringing this message to you from somewhere other than our new building because there's a lot of work going on there and it's very busy. I don't want to get in their way. Hey, just a reminder, we've got our grand opening on Saturday, December 13. So please put that on your calendar. Saturday, December 13 from 11 in the morning to 4 p.m. Should be a lot of fun. If you got kids, grandkids, please bring them with you. If you have friends, relatives who have kids, please bring them also. Should be a good time. We're going to have free pictures with Santa. 5 tons of snow, a little bit of food, and some entertainment. Should be a good time. We hope to see you then. A real common question we get this time of year is, when should I call to schedule an appointment? And my answer is now. It's better to call now rather than later. If you call now to schedule an appointment, you're more likely to get the day and time you want. If you call, my suggestion is call today. Schedule a time for late February or early March. The reason you don't want to schedule early February is because you want to make sure you have all your tax forms the day of your appointment. Also keep in mind we still have express drop-off pickup, so if you'd rather just drop off your tax information and pick up your tax return without an appointment, you can still do that. That's it for now. I want you to know that Leslie and I really do appreciate your business, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon this coming tax season. And actually before then, grand opening December 13th.